Hey grade 2, welcome back to Math Talks with Mrs. Tucker. Today we're going to be talking about subtracting, we're going to be learning how to regroup, and then we're going to learn a little poem to help us remember how to do our math. So I'm going to tuck these away and I'm going to show you or get started right away. So I want to start by talking about subtraction. This week we're going to be subtracting two-digit numbers. We've done this before a few weeks ago, and so I'm just going to go over how to do it again. We have our question here on the board, 59 take away 42. What I want to do is find my ones place because I know that's where I start, and it's always on the right. So here's my ones place, and here's my tens place. Now for me, I like to split the numbers to help me organize my thinking. I want to start in the ones place on the right. Remember, today we're taking away, so we're counting back when we do this question. So if I have 9, can I take 2 away? Yes, I can. So let's put 9 in our head and we're going to take away 2. So 9, 8, 7. 9 take away 2 equals 7. Let's put 7 here in the ones place. Let's hop over to the tens place. We have 5 tens, take away 4 tens. If we have 5 tens and we take away 4 tens, we're going to have 1 10 left. So let's put our 10 here, our one group of 10 in the tens place. Now I can see my answer is 17. Easy peasy. We've done this before. I have a little poem here on my chart to help us remember how to do this one. If I have more on top, no need to stop. Can you say that with me? I've got a little pom-pom to help us. Ready? More on top, no need to stop. If I look at my question, in my ones place, do I have more on top? I do. I don't need to stop. I can go ahead and I can subtract. If I look in my tens place, I have 5, take away 4 tens. Do I have more on top? I do. No need to stop. But we're going to start doing questions today that don't have more on top, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay, here we go. I have my question on the board. Today I have, again, 24, take away 19. Now I know my little poem, it says, more on top, no need to stop. So let's first find our ones place and our tens place. And you know me, I like to split them. So now I'm looking right here in the ones place. I have 4, take away 9. If I have 4, can I take 9 away from that? No, I don't have enough. Do I have more on top? No, I don't. I have more on the floor. Now, if I have more on the floor, or meaning that I have more in this position and not here, I need to go next door to the tens place and I need to knock. Hey, tens place. Hey, tens place. I need to get 10 more from you so that I can make my question work. So when we have more on the floor, we go next door and we get 10 more. So if we look over here at my base 10 blocks, I have 4. I can't take 9 away from 4. I do not have to have enough. I need to go next door to the tens place and I need to say, hey, I need 10 more. So I'm going to ask if I can borrow this group of 10 and regroup it here to the ones place. So I'm going to bring it over, but what I want to do is I want to make it 10 ones again. So what I can do is I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That is the same as my group of 10. So I'm going to move this down. I've taken my group of 10, I've split it apart, and now how many do I have? Well, I have 10 and then the 4 more. I have 14 now. So over here in my ones place, I want to cross out my 4. I'm going to move my 1, and I'm going to show that I now have 14 ones. Can you see them? 14 ones. Now if I have 14 ones, can I now take away 9? I sure can, because now I have more on top. So 14 take away 9. Well, I can have my 14 here, take away 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many do I have left? I have 5. 14 take away 9 equals 5. So now I can put 5 here. Now I hop over to my tens place. And it says here I have 2 groups of 10. But do I have 2 groups of 10? No, I don't, because I took one group of 10, made it back into 10 ones, regrouped it into the ones place. So now I only have one group of 10 here. So I need to show that. I'm going to cross out this 2, and I'm going to show that I only have one group of 10 now. If I have 1, can I take 1 away? I sure can. One group of 10, take away one group of 10, leaves us with no groups of 10. Now, do I need to put a 0 here? No, I just know that I don't have any. But if you'd like to, you sure can. You can show there are 0 groups of 10 now and 5 ones. 24 take away 19 equals 5. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, let's try our next one. The question is 56 take away 27. So I built it over here with my base 10 blocks. And when you're starting to learn how to do subtraction with regrouping, I really want you to use those base 10 blocks that we sent to you. That was in paper form. You need to cut them up so that they look like this. And then you can use them to help you organize your thinking. So let's give it a try. 56 take away 27. Here's my ones place. Here's my tens place. I'm going to split my numbers so I can organize my thinking. And I can start on the right. So I have 6, take away 7. If I have 6 blocks, can I take 7 away? Do I have enough? No, I do not have more on top. I have more on the floor. So the second number, or the bottom number, is bigger. And when it is bigger, I cannot subtract it from the top number. So I need to go next door. Let's knock on the door. Hey, tens place. Hey, tens place. I need a group of 10. I need to get 10 more. And so I will go over and I will get 10, or one group of 10 from the tens place. I can bring it over, but I want to split it back up into tens. I'm going to into ones. I want to regroup it into ones. So here's my 10. I'm going to split it apart and have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I've taken that 10 from the tens place. I need to show that I've taken that 10, so I know when I get to my tens place that I've regrouped a group of 10. So I want to show now that I have only 4 groups of 10 left. So I'm going to cross out my 5 groups of 10 and show that I only have 4 now. 1 group of 10, 2 groups of 10, 3 groups of 10, 4 groups of 10. I have that 10 that I've brought over and I've split it apart. And now I can see I have how many? Well, I have 10, 15, 16. So now I have 16 here. I'm going to cross this out and show that I have 16. If I have 16, can I take 7 away? I can, because now I have more on top. 16 take away 7. So here's my 16. Let's take away 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many do I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 left. So I'm going to put 9 here in my ones place. Now, I've already shown that I don't have 5 anymore, 5 groups of 10. I only have 4 groups of 10 here. So I have 4 groups of 10, and I'm going to take away 2 groups of 10. 4 groups of 10, take away 2 groups of 10. Leaves me with 2 groups of 10. So my 2 groups of 10 go here. 2 groups of 10. And now I have my answer, 29. 56 take away 27 equals 29. Pretty cool, eh?